Climb over some of these rocks.
That was an accident.
I know, that's why I say climb over the rocks instead, because it's a rock climber.
Not a mudder. Ow! Problem.
See if it'll climb up the side here. Stop going when you're upside down. Hey Vince, drive it over here and see if you can climb up the side here. Not in the deep water.
Not driving into deep water.
Back up and bring it over here. For one more time. And then I'm done recording and we're going to start heading back before the battery's dead. Because I don't want to carry it the whole way home.
I will.
No, you're not listening. You're going to have to carry yours. Yeah. You're just wasting battery doing that. I know. Okay, bring it across the rocks and we'll set it right here and see if we can crawl out of here on its own. Okay, you're gonna have to come over here and set it, pick it up a little bit. Yeah.
All the way up there?
Just put it up above the sticks, like right at the bottom.
Can you carry it really heavy?
Right there. Give it some, move your hand and give it some gas. Give it a little push.
How about this?
There you go. Give it some gas. Okay, stop. Stop. Back up, back up. Grab it with your hand. Okay, do that again. We'll try again.
Okay.
You don't have to give it a full throttle, though.
No. You said I'm not strong enough to twist it.
Whoa, whoa. Crazy. All right, stop. Now give me your hand.